Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create kids profile in Disney Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create kids profile on Disney Plus, then all you got to do is simply go to your Disney Plus. Once you're in your Disney Plus, you need to hover to the right hand side of the screen and there you can find your profile. Simply tap on your profile and now you need to go and tap on accounts. So after you tap on accounts, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find your edit profiles which is under your accounts. Now simply tap on the pencil icon on any profile and scroll down below. There you can find the parental control. In the parental control, you can find junior mode. You need to simply turn on the toggle to the right hand side and you're all set. Your account will now be changed into your kids profile on Disney Plus. So you can create kids profile in Disney Plus in this way by changing any profile into kids profile. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.